entrepreneurs for me.
So what do you see as the main opportunities for founders to pursue right now?
The area that really intrigues me at the moment is climate tech. There are so many interesting kind of ideas that are bubbling up, and people are thinking about how to do things differently. I've been talking a lot to the Nordshine Foundation in Stockholm, who have this concept of social impact unicorns, which I think is a lovely idea. That there is an obsession clearly in the west coast of America, and to some extent in Europe, and certainly in China, that you've got to be a unicorn to have succeeded in tech, which is a rather unhealthy way of looking at things. I think that it is very much looking at it through a VC prism, but entrepreneurship is so much wider than that. And I think the ability to make an impact using similar techniques of startup methodology and being able to scale and go global applies to so many other types of business. And the idea that you could affect a billion people's lives positively, which is their definition of a social impact unicorn, is a really interesting one, I think. And in an area like the environment, that clearly is a area that you could have a very big impact.